Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in SolidWorks software. You can see I choose this drawing. The base dimension is 60 by 100 and height is 20 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select top plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension. This is 60 mm and this side is 100 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 20 mm. Okay. You can see back side there is a flange. That dimension is 60, flange diameter 25 and diameter 10 mm. Height is 60. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 25 mm, mm, and here to here 60. Select the center point of circle and origin point, give vertical constraint. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select extruded. Here actually we need to extrude two directions. You can see one direction is 5 mm and other direction is 10 mm. Direction 1 we required 5 mm. Direction 2 required 10 mm. Click OK. And also there is a rib to connect that round bush. Select same surface, sketch, select line, here select line and circle, give tangent constraint, same opposite side. Select this circle, convert entities, trim the above line. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 10 mm. So same, there is a one more, that is pitch is 30 mm. For that I will take one plane, and pitch is 30 mm. Click OK. Select surface, plane, sketch. Here select circle, give the dimension 25 mm. This is 10 mm. Select center points and origin center point, give vertical constraint. Finish sketch, extrude up to 25 mm. Again select, sorry, not 25, this is only 15 mm. Select plane, select this line, this line and this line and this circle, convert entities, trim entities, trim above the line, click OK. Select extrude, extrude up to 10 mm. We can hide this plane. Now between center one plate is there. For that select mid plane, select line, give the dimension 30 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, select extrude, here take mid plane, click OK. Next you can see this side also one rib is there, that is height 35 mm and thickness is 10 mm. For that select right plane, sketch, normal, select line, give the dimension 35 mm. Finish sketch, select here rib 10 mm thickness, click OK. Next there is a one bottom side cutout is there, that is length 60 mm and height is 10 mm, from the side 20 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select here corner rectangle, give the dimension from here to here 20. Okay, height is 10 mm. Here to 20 and length is 60. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, reverse the direction, here select through hole, click OK. And final holes is pending. For that select surface, sketch, select circle, hole diameter is 10.5, give this dimension from here to here 25, here to here 10 mm, which is 40, diameter is 10.5. Select this hole and select remaining holes, give equal constraint. Select this hole and this hole, give horizontal constraint. Select top hole and bottom hole, give vertical constraint. Select dimension, here to here pitch is 50 mm. Then select this center point and this center point, give horizontal constraint. Select this point and this point, give vertical constraint. So you can see the whole dimensions 25 plus 10 35 plus 15 50 mm. This is from side 10 and pitch is 40 mm. So finish sketch, select extruded cut. Here you can select through hole, click OK. Now we can assign the material. Appearances, go to steel, plastic, metals, rubbers, glass. I will go with steel. In the steel, polished steel, brushed steel, carbon steel, burnished steel. So if you double click now, it will take. So I will go with polished steel. Also we can assign some good colors here. Which color you want, you can assign. Okay, save the part. So that's it from today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video.